and today we're going to show you how to install one of the most timeless designs of Board and Batten wall. I'm here with Pete from Wood Grain. Pete, you want to tell us about the project that you chose for today?
Yes, we're doing a Board and Batten design, which is classic and timeless. This bedroom right here. So install pretty simple. We're going to frame it out, take some measurements, do some cuts, install, paint, good to go. So we're going to be using a 1x2. You can find it at Home Depot, but you can also use 1x3 or 1x4 if you want a little more thickness. So should be a good design today.
Sweet, let's get started. Alright, so we've painted, framed out the wall. Can you go into a little detail about the rest of the installation process?
So we decided on a 5x3 design, so 5 squares across, 3 vertical. So the first thing you want to do is measure from frame to frame and realize, okay, we have this stick right here, figure out the width, subtract that from the number and how many squares you want, and that's going to tell you how big the squares are. And when you're installing it, just use what you need. In this case, 28.5. We're doing those little horizontal sticks, and that will space out those long vertical ones perfect. So spacing the width is easy because you can use these pieces right here to do so. But the height, once you determine what you want to do there, in this case we did 33 inches to give us perfectly symmetrical boxes here. So just use a guide right here, 33-inch stick, use this in between, level it, and then you can nail these and you've got perfect boxes.
I am obsessed with this wall. It turned out so good.
Agreed. I love Board and Batten because it's easy to install and it looks great. So we used a 1x2 stick for this, but you can use all kinds of different widths if you want, so you can determine style. So that's one thing I love about Board and Batten. There's some variability in it, but at the end of the day, it's easy to install. Well, that wraps things up. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. And follow us across all our social media platforms at We Are Wood Grain.
If there's any accent walls you'd like to see, comment below.
Excellent. Well, Lauren, another great install. I really enjoyed this one.
Yeah, it was fun.
Great job.